Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. It is 12:41. Watching now, guys. I might be taking a short right about now. Give me one moment. I want to see this candle close first. It's a 1 minute candle. There it is. And a break below. That's the one. And now in, guys. Came back to my entry, so I'm good with that. I was able to show you where my entry is. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna double check my brackets on my own platform. Here we go. Perfect. Risking. I'm gonna risk 30. Gonna risk 30 here, guys, for 30 on the upside, which means down. Market movement going down. My entry was actually on this candle here. Here we go. And my entry was actually a couple of seconds earlier than that on my actual platform, but that doesn't matter. This is all about the trade idea below the bottom, usually the wick of this candle. There was no bottom wick. It just immediately dropped down, and so I took it. Zone reversal trade, guys. It's a suspected zone reversal. Given what I'm seeing on the Three Sisters, I'm going to show it to you now. There it is. Took a while to readjust. So you can see we are trading above VWAP now on all three, but only marginally on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is now the weakest of the three. It's been quite an interesting day in terms of divergences here and asynchronicity. But watching now, topping pattern on the S&P 500. Sorry guys, I'm looking at another screen here at the same time, back at the power grid. But on the 1 minute, we have a failure to reach a new high. This is a double top, marginally undercut. I like to see it marginally overcut and then drop back, but it doesn't matter. It's not critical. But from a 30-minute standpoint, we are at a key zone. The zone goes all the way back to June 21st. Today is June 29th. Thursday, June 29th. This might help to give a little bit of perspective. I can now remove this zone. Going to revise and refresh by putting another zone here. Hopefully that makes sense to you. And revise this one up. That's an interim revision. If prices continue to go up again, then that would be invalidated or negated, right? Quite simple. This is the first break of structure after a failure to reach a new high in this entire move. The last time we had that was here, and it turned out to be a fake out and prices went higher. That could very much happen again. Then there was a new high, a new low, a higher, and there was a higher low, right? So a new high, a higher low, a nice big strong rally by any measure, possibly extended. Right? Pull back, failure to reach a new high, break below structure, and below this is an ATR, basically an EMA. It's almost the same as a 21 EMA. I'll show it to you. Here's a 21 EMA. You can see it essentially does the same sort of thing. It has a jagged look to it, which I kind of like sometimes. But you can use a 20 EMA here or 21 EMA. Doesn't matter. All the same stuff from a conceptual framework standpoint. Targeting 34,330 here. And now it's just about being patient. I'm going to put you on pause and I'll bring you back. Trying to drive down here just a little bit, guys, but taking a little bit of time, as you can see. A little bit sloppy. I'm going to stay on the 2-minute chart here just to clean up the candles a little bit. And I'll put you back on pause. Just to help understand a little bit, guys, this is a zone reversal trade, as I mentioned. Price is rallying up into this prior zone that goes back several days, quite a few days. But we also tapped, this is important, on the daily chart, a very bullish candle, of course. So you would think, well, maybe you should be trading longs only. And then we see back over here 6 days ago, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 days ago we had this high with a top wick that we tapped here and then started to trail down. That's right there, top of this 1-minute chart, or now 2-minute chart, and then seeing it reject from there. It's not a violent rejection. This could go right back up to new highs and then surpass it, like it looks like it wants to do right now. But these things all are working together here. It also helps that we were seeing this topping pattern here, and a failure for the NASDAQ to move even remotely above and stay above on the VWAP. This topping kind of a pattern here on the S&P 500. We're not going sideways on the Dow, the one that we want, or at least I want, to go down, right? We are also in the twilight zone, however. It's 12:56, but we are now coming out of the first hour of the twilight zone, which for me, in my definition, lasts between 12 and 1 o'clock. We're 3.5 minutes away from that now, when we typically begin to see some volume come back and some more direction into this marketplace. We'll see if that happens, but I'll put you on pause for now. New low on the move. Tightening my stop from 30 to 15. In other words, cutting it in half. It's now a 0.5 R stop. Oops. Undo. There we go. And back on pause. Just hit a new low again. See if we can make this thing continue. Not that we were able to make anything. Just being patient now. Can we get one more push here? It's 12:58. 2 minutes to 1. Some volume coming back already. Looking for 30 points here, guys. One more, and we're done. Just like that. Thanks for being with me, and thanks for your support. Thank you for clicking the like button and for commenting if you don't mind, and saying hi. I'd love to meet you, at least digitally. Hope you have an amazing afternoon. We will talk soon. Take care.